In this video, we will show you how to create multi-hoop designs. There are cases when you have a large design which can't fit in one hoop. Let's say you want to fit this artwork into an area of 30 centimeters. Select the whole design if it's not already selected and type the width you like. The pink color on top of the hoop area means that the design doesn't fit in the hoop. Let's go to Machine Hoop Selection mode. When you are in this mode, you can only work on the hoop. So you can try changing the hoop. Still, the design doesn't fit even in the largest hoop supported by the machine. You can also rotate the hoop and change the position. If the design still doesn't fit, you can add an additional hoop. Click on the plus icon and the Edit Hoop dialog will appear. Select the hoop that will be used next. The dialog will close and you may apply the hoop on the workspace. You may change the hoop's position freely by clicking and dragging on the frame. Position the stitch out area on the second hoop over the shapes that do not fit in the first one. Now we need to make a few adjustments. The intersected area, which is highlighted with a blue transparent color, includes a diagonal line that specifies which objects will be cut if they cannot fit entirely in one of the hoops. In our case, the upper branch fits entirely into the second hoop, so we'd better move this line up. But if we had a different design, we may have to move the line differently or even add nodes to make a special separator between the hoops. The straight line is not always convenient, especially if the design is complex. For this reason, you can add nodes on the line by double-clicking on it or remove them by double-clicking on an existing node. You can drag the nodes and change the location where the cut will be made. With the extra nodes, you can create complex lines and reduce the amount of cuts. Now, the design will be cut exactly by the line created. In this design, this may not be useful, but if you bring the design closer, the created line now seems necessary in order to keep the owl in the hoop below and the branch in the upper hoop. The design is now ready. Save it to the file format your machine supports by selecting File, Save As. The software will now save two files. The first one will include the main design, and the second one the design that will be embroidered in the second hoop. Click on the Slow Redraw tool to simulate how the design will be stitched out. Select the hoop you want from the Hoops Manager and then click the Play button to start the simulation. Finally, don't forget to make a printout where all the information of how the design will be stitched out is listed. You will find this very useful.